A migrant caught illegally crossing the border in South Texas can be charged with a Class B misdemeanor and given jail time under SB 4. The law includes a unique plea deal option. Charges can be dropped if the migrant agrees to return to an official port of entry. A redirection approach to the border crisis that was moved through the Texas House by State Representative David Spiller.
There is absolutely an invasion going on, and we're doing our best to address it.
From his North Texas law office, Spiller Wednesday morning defended SB 4. He says what state lawmakers passed does not conflict with federal law.
It's based on the existing federal law, 8 U.S.C. 1225 for illegal entry. And that's why SB 4 is drafted specifically the same way that federal law. And that's the same federal law that's been on the book, when I say for decades, I'm talking about 70 years this law has been in effect.
That claim is being challenged in this court document filed by a coalition of civil rights groups. The request to prevent an appeals court decision to allow SB 4 to start enforcement this week came as the U.S. Supreme Court issued its own hold until at least March the 13th. A welcome timeout, according to ACLU attorney Adriana Pinion.
The preliminary injunction is a significant win. The work we're doing right now is to ensure that the preliminary injunction keeps SB 4 from being enforced as we continue litigating.
The civil rights attorney argues federal immigration law is being violated by SB 4.
So it's just not the case that SB 4 does not conflict. And to your point about we're just walking people to the border, the law makes it a false choice to say, oh, it's voluntary to cross the border, because if a person doesn't, they face 20 years in jail. So it's a coercive measure. It is a deportation.
I think that the U.S. Supreme Court will send this back down and say, y'all can have a trial on this, but we're not going to stop the temporary implementation of SB 4. And at the end of the day, I believe it's going to be held completely constitutional.